The most common way to replace the battery in a Dodge Charger key fob is the open case and swap coin cell method. You'll typically need a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the case. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually on the side. Use the tool to gently pry open the case. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the correct direction. Snap the case back together. Test the fob near your charger to ensure it works. Newer models have more durable casings, while older ones require extra care. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it. Turn the ignition to the on-run position and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob multiple times. Make sure you dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it to avoid environmental harm. Keep in mind that some newer chargers, especially the e-charger, may have rechargeable fobs or digital key options using smartphone apps. While the open case and swap method remains standard for many models, future trends point toward battery-free fobs and increased use of digital keys.